Vishakhapatnam has been named the cleanest railway station in the country by the Quality Council of India. It is on the Howrah Chennai main line.
Standard Chartered Bank, under their CSR initiative Seeing is Believing, supported by Anuprayaas, makes the railway station accessible for people with disabilities.
2 Braille maps have been installed near the inquiry counter, which provide complete layout of the railway station to facilitate independent travel of visually impaired persons. Signages to assist the visually impaired to reach the ticket counter from the entrance gate. These are placed at similar heights on railings for easy access. Entry-exit signs on the railings guiding people who are visually impaired. These signs are available for various other facilities as well. People with disabilities can also use the facilities like Left for Easy Movement. Generic Braille signages are available to guide them to the various facilities. Platform indicators to identify the platform numbers. This helps people with disability to reach the right platform at the right time. These are available at every platform to avoid misunderstandings. Railway station has accessibility for people with a visual disability, people with hearing and speech impairment, and people using wheelchairs. Escalators are made easily accessible by providing Braille signages at starting and ending of the same. A scannable QR code is available at various locations, which redirects you to a sign language YouTube video explaining every important detail about the railway station. The QR code redirects to a sign language YouTube video with audio and video instructions about the facilities available at the railway station. Complimentary Braille booklets are also available at the railway station, which provide a complete guide about the railway station to visually impaired persons. Divyang toilets, which are provided for persons with disabilities, have been made more accessible for easy and more access. Water booth signages at various platforms to enhance accessibility. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have been provided at the railway station to assist people using a wheelchair to board the trains easily.
Under the CSR initiative Seeing is Believing by Standard Chartered Bank, along with Anuprayaas, is working to make railway stations in India accessible for people with visual disabilities, speech and hearing disabilities, and people using wheelchairs.